Hey, what's going on? I'm back again. I'm blessed with another one, and I'm blessed to be in front of you all and the audience out there watching, tuning in. So today I have another opportunity. I'm cleaning a mat that's been in a house that's been neglected by a dog. It pees on it a lot, and she was saying since the dog started peeing on it, it's when it smells it, it just pees on it again because it just thinks that that's the place to pee. So I guess it's still going through training or whatever the situation is, but I have it here today, and I'm telling you, it reeks. Like I'm outside right now. If it's a breeze, man, you smell it. So it's super strong and it's super stainy, and I'm gonna show you it right now. As you see, you can see all those stains right there, man. Just big, huge pee stains that are on this carpet that have to come out and be clean. Man, it reeks too, man. It stinks so bad. So those are the stains, and watch me get them out. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pour some hot water on the carpet first, and then I'm gonna hit it with spray it with my stain and carpet remover, and after that I'm gonna drill it, and then I'm gonna extract it with my extractor. So I think that process was work. Let's see and try it out. Get that junk amped up and ready. I gotta get a bigger drill. But you see, the dirt and stuff is coming out already. Just by me drilling. I say with this method, I'll probably have to do it probably about either twice or 3 times to really clean it up. But in the future, I gotta get something that can drill this a lot faster, because this is a lot of work. Alright, it's extraction time. So this is everything, all the dirty water on the carpet, as you see. That is extra dirty. And this is the back side of it, which I'm about to clean now. So I'm gonna clean this back side. Probably try to knock this junk out like twice. As you can see all the little stains on it. So I'm gonna try to knock this junk out twice, and then flip it over, do that again, and then flip it over, do it again. Alright, what's going on, everybody, man? I'm all done with the carpet. I'm sorry I couldn't show you the full thing. It got so hot that my camera ended up saying it was overheating. It's super hot in Georgia right now. It's around like 5 p.m. right now too as well. So, you know, it's at the peak of the sun basically. So I did a good job. I cleaned it twice on the back, twice on the front. I just put it in the garage. I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you kind of the results of it. You got to see the stains on the back. So we're gonna see if it's some more stains, because I might have to clean it again. There's no telling, but I'm letting it dry. But it still kind of smells like dog, so I'm definitely gonna go get. I'm gonna order a deodorizer just for pet smells, like pee, strong dog smells like that, and I'm gonna spray it down to kind of get rid of that odor smell on the carpet. Just because, like she said, she doesn't want the dog to keep smelling the carpet and knowing that's his pee spot, so it keeps peeing on the carpet. So we're gonna order that, and hopefully it gets in early, and I can kind of show you how I use it and what I do. But until then, catch you tomorrow. Yo, what's going on? All right, so it's the next day. Basically I told my client to give me a day to clean it, a day for it to dry, and like a day for me to kind of deodorize it. So I told him to give me like 3 days to do it, just because I kind of have a lot going on with detailing too as well. But with the carpet cleaning, it came out good. I'm gonna show you it. It's all clean, it's all good. I sprayed a little bit of deodorizer on it because deodorizer is in the cleaning product, because it smells a little bit better, but it still kind of smells like a little bit of dog and a little bit of a pee smell on it. It's not as strong as it used to be, but it's definitely a lot smaller. But you got to get up on like the carpet to really just smell it. So that's what I did. But I do have some deodorizer coming in the mail that's a lot stronger. I looked it up, I studied it, I saw like results of it. So I do have that coming in. So I'm really waiting on that, because I'm really done with the carpet. I'm just waiting on that to come in so I can kind of deodorize it like heavily, so I can smell all good. But right now I'm about to show you the carpet, because yesterday I showed you all the pee stains on the back and how dirty it was. I'm gonna show you the carpet now and show you guys an opportunity that I'm taking advantage of cleaning carpet and cleaning couches now. Appreciate you all for tuning in. I'm gonna show you the results now. This is the front side of it. It used to be extra dark with the white sides, but it definitely has brightened up. The color is popping out again. Did a great job. So as you see, it's in the garage right now, and as you see, you don't see no pee stains on it like you did the other day. It's nice and clean. So we definitely did a good job of cleaning it. And I would say like I did it 4 times. I did the back twice and I did the front twice. And definitely didn't need to do it that many times. Probably after like the first 2 times it was really clean, but I definitely had to clean out the back side for real. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's all good. And I'm gonna show you the front side. Hey, so I appreciate you all for tuning in. It's been an amazing ride. As you see, I'm doing carpets, couches, kind of doing everything now. So again, don't stay in the little box. Take care of those opportunities that come your way. Take advantage of them. Go do them. Step out your comfort zone. If you mess up, who cares? If you get it done, that's the real part. You know what I'm saying? It's been plenty of times where I took new opportunities, or I did a new adventure, and something messed up. But it's like you got to figure it out. And once you figure it out, man, you become wiser, stronger, smarter, and you just everything just becomes great after that. You know what I'm saying? Because you learn and you start achieving more, and you can do more just because you know more, right? So I appreciate all you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, talk to me. Let's get it in. You know what I'm saying? If you need any advice on detailing, carpet cleaning, couch cleaning, I'm here to talk to you. I'm just starting. So if you got any advice for me, comment that too. Send me any type of situations or conversation you want to talk about. Let's do it, man. I appreciate y'all. You all stay blessed out there. Keep God first. Always pray. Always read the Bible or read godly words, and just stay in tune, man, with His power, with His Spirit, to grow and to gain more opportunities and to become better in life. And don't stay connected to this worldly world just because it's not going to do anything for you, man. get spiritual, stay in God's presence, stay in His Word, stay in His faith, and everything will work out. Appreciate you all. Blessings, my brothers and sisters. I'm out, baby.